Hello YouTube. I know my hair doesn't look the best, but oh well. I just want to bring you this article that I came across. Supposedly two Russian spy planes intercepted by U.S. fighter jets near Alaska. North American Aerospace Defense Command, NORAD, F-22 fighter jets intercepted two Russian reconnaissance planes near Alaska on Wednesday night. The official NORAD Twitter account confirmed the intercept in a Thursday tweet. KC-135 Stratotankers and E-3 AWACS aircraft assisted in the effort of tracking down and diverting the Russian aircraft identified as IL-38 maritime patrol aircraft. Then it goes on to say, NORAD assessed that the Russian aircraft were intercepted in the Barents Sea before they could reach the Aleutian Islands, which stretch off the Alaskan mainland. The NORAD tweets stated the Russian aircraft were not able to reach U.S. or Canadian airspace. NORAD commander and U.S. Air Force general said, COVID-19 or not, NORAD continues actively watching for threats and defending the homelands 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. O'Shaughnessy was asked during a Thursday Fox News interview why the Russians would fly their planes so close to U.S. airspace during the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. He assessed the Russian pilots wanted to see if we were able to react, supposedly. Supposedly the Russian planes that were intercepted were just the latest in a recent series of supposedly Russian patrol flights near U.S. airspace. In March, Russian reconnaissance planes were also supposedly intercepted, flying over a supposedly U.S. Navy submarine ice-breaching exercise area in the Arctic Ocean. The IL-38 aircraft intercepted Wednesday are equipped for both maritime patrol and anti-submarine operations, supposedly. So there you go. There's an article. You decide, what you think about it. Leave your comments down in the comment section. And hope everybody's having a blessed day. It's time to start standing up. Come on. Get right with God. And let's stand up. Get our country back. This is starting to be a little bit bullcrap now. But if we keep on sitting around talking about different issues, talking about different things, we're not going to get nowhere. So if we want to get somewhere, we need to start standing up and taking our country back. All right? Have a blessed day, everybody. Peace.